Hello everyone, today we're going to be making rocket confetti, and today we're just going to be needing some kitchen foil, some matches, a razor or scissors, some paper and a skewer. So our first step is to cut some tin foil, and we're going to be needing a square piece of tin foil. Step is to cut the match head from the match itself. Like so. Next step is to get our bamboo skewer, our match head and some tin foil, a square piece, and we put the bamboo skewer about 3/4 of the way up, just a bit away from the start of the tin foil. We then put our match head right on top. We then get our confetti. Mine is makeshift confetti. I've only used a bit for this, and then we roll it up. After we have rolled it up, pinch the top just above the match head, fold it down and press firmly to secure it, and crinkle around the sides firmly to seal it off. And we now have a rocket filled with confetti. Now there is only one thing to do: ready, aim and fire.